y'all, it's your girl Katura and I'm back with another video as promised. I just got done filming my Target haul, so check that out. But after this of course. And yeah, let's get into it. So we all love TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx. I was fortunate to stop in there because I've been locked in my house for a month and it's my birthday month. My birthday's on Tuesday. So a little shopping retail therapy is a-okay. Okay, there's only so much you can do on Amazon until you want to like just touch and feel and look at price tags and all that stuff. I don't know, is it just me, shopaholic anonymous, gonna get an amen? But yeah, before we go into all this stuff, it's not really that much, but I still wanted to bring it to you guys because I bring everything to y'all that I get, I review, I like. Click that link, like, comment, subscribe sis, so you know when I'm bringing more videos, household items, makeup, any little thing, you name it, I'm pretty much covering it because I'm a shopaholic. Okay, down to your favorite pen and pencils. To all my new subscribers, what it do? Hey. To all my loyal subscribers that been here, what it do? Hey. And y'all, you know, it's nothing new over here. Your girl's feeling real cute. Okay, the hair is straight, so I'm rolling out these videos. I no longer look like a dusty bumpkin. It's so hard to put myself together when my hair ain't looking right, but that's another video, that's another time. You ain't come here to hear me complain and talk about my hair, and but did you? All right, so let's get into it. Love y'all. Love your hair. I don't know why I'm being so extra. I'm doing my closet over, so I got some things from Amazon so I can do my closet over. I'm going to be selling a lot of clothes, so if you are not following me on Posh, I'm going to put my Posh link. I don't know if I'm going to make it pop up here or put it in my link below, probably both, so you can just get to it. And yeah, feel free to shop around. I am a size small in my outfits, a size 26, 27, maybe even 28 when I was thicker in the waist, trying to get back there. My shoe size is a size 5.5 to 6, so if that is you, girl, go down to the link and get you all my clothes. So it is now yours. It's going to a good home, I hope. So I just got a couple things, not too much. The first thing I wanted to show you, because I like putting y'all up on game when it comes to beauty products, please people, service announcement to all my subscribers and viewers. Please go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls before you stop at Ulta, maybe even Targets and Sephora, because they're just a little bit pricier. Like they put on that $2, $3, $10 tax, where TJ Maxx is negative $3, $2, $10 tax. So the first thing I got was toning towels, Witch Hazel in the lemon. I usually stick to rose petal, but I was like, you know what, I love these on the go when we were traveling in this world, or just sometimes I don't feel like wetting up my pad. I just want to get my whole face in one swipe. So these are $3.99 compared if you go to TJ Maxx, sorry, if you go to Targets and it's like $8.99 to $10. So I got two in lemon, so that's what it looks like, and they're little towels that you can, let me open it, that you can pull out. So these are the towels in here, and it just works for me. It's better. I'm going to show you guys what I do have that I use as a toner. I got mad toners, but sometimes, you know, you don't want to travel with this, it'll spill out and all that extra stuff, so you have this. You're welcome. Next, let me turn my receipt. This is all I got. Oh, I got a shirt from my son. Feeling like a short video. I got these band-aids. They're called Welly, and I just thought that they were pretty. Sucker for packaging, and y'all know, my subscribers know, if you know, you know, your girl loves packaging. This was $4.99, and I feel like even when I'm done with using these band-aids, I can like put more band-aids in this package, and I can put it in my purse, bring it on me, bring it with me to go, or just have it home. I like this a little bit more than the plastic band-aids because for me, once you get your hands wet or any part of your body wet, that band-aid slips off and it gets annoying, versus when it's like the fabric, like the flexible fabric, it just stays there. Like it's almost like got to be glue for your edges. It's literally like It's not coming to me. That is crazy. What glue is hard? Super glue. It's literally like super glue in band-aid form. So yeah, that was $4.99. Let me open it. Like, I have a hard time opening things because I just want to keep them in their packaging forever, and it's like a tour. At some point you gotta use it. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to open everything. Welly. Oh, that is dope. So that's how it comes, and it's like sectioned off in the colors because it shows you that it comes in, I guess, purple, green, and it looks like the yellow color, like this pattern. Yeah, so that's cute that they sectioned it off. Oh, and it doesn't move either. That's cute. Clear case so you can see. Oh, beautiful, Welly. Beautiful. Definitely fab. This is the green color. So cute. Like, imagine, I want someone to get a cut. I don't want you to hurt yourself, but I want you to need a band-aid. Like, do you have a band? Yeah, I do. Would you like this color? Perhaps this one? That's cute. It makes like wearing a band-aid fashionable. Or would you like this one to match your green sweater? I felt like I said that green weird. Green. I was like, green. Alright. And last but not least, I got this bad boy. So if you can see this, my home kind of matches this like rustic. What am I? I'm like rustic, barnyard, cozy, cute, sophisticated. That's my home. So I got this for my closet. That way I can put like my towels and my rags up here. And I think I'm gonna get another one just so I can put like miscellaneous items. But this was $9.99, and I like that it had the lining inside of it, and you got the two holders at the side, and that's it. So y'all, this is a really short, cute video. If you have took away anything from this video, just go to TJ Maxx because you can usually get it cheaper, especially when it comes to makeup. I've told y'all before, I have got me some Anastasia, all the good stuff, NARS, for cheaper. I have literally, a story is like I went to Sephora and I had like bought a couple things, and I was like, hey, let me just pop into TJ Maxx because it's like all in the same plaza, like the mall's there and then the plaza, and I'm like, why go to one and not go to the other, right? So I went there and I literally saw the palette that I just bought, my blush, and I was shook. I just spent $28 for one palette, and they had the same palette, same color, for $10.99. I was like, skirt. Went back to the mall, run me my $18 because I just spent $10. Okay, so like I said, if you take anything from this, it is to just go to TJ Maxx first. It's kind of like their slogan, TJ Maxx, you should go. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be blessed.